If you've ever tried creating an ebook, you know how fast the cost can add up. Writers, editors, designers, and formatting tools can easily eat your budget. But with ebook writer AI, you can cut those costs in half while getting the same professional results. Here's how. You start with your idea or topic. Maybe it's health, business, or productivity. Ebook Writer AI instantly generates your content, organizes it into chapters, and formats the layout automatically. That means no paying writers per page, no hiring designers for covers, and no wasting hours formatting your text. The AI handles everything, fast, accurate, and ready to publish. When you're done, you'll have a polished professional ebook you can upload straight to Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or your own site. It's the smartest way to save money and time, while still creating ebooks that look and read like they were made by a pro. Ready to cut your ebook creation cost in half? Click the link in the description and start creating with ebook writer AI today.